This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. Today I will show you how to concat Xpath and customize the Xpath, and also use parameterize option. Before we show the show you guys how to do Xpath example. If you want to go to the sign in button, so I says go there and right click and copy Xpath. So now you see the copy Xpath go here is huge. Okay, this is the full path of related. This is what's called absolute path, absolute Xpath. So we are looking for a relative path, relative Xpath for this. So we have to show you guys how to use the relative Xpath and customize, and then customize and parameterize, and also same XPath we can use for multiple object purpose. So now, like example, we want to eliminate our work, like add smaller we can. Like example, here one XPath we can use that for multiple testing purpose. That's what we're gonna show you guys how we can do that. For example, right now we're gonna do sign in button. So how we can do shorter? How we can do as an absolute path. So there is a way to find the absolute path. So now over here we see over here. So now over here is have A. You see that what I do? I look the last the and is the A. Which is the A? A is here. A. Okay. What under A has? Under A has class. You can take as a class as a login. You can take as a title, login to your computer, or you can take as a text sign in. Okay. So now I'm going to take as a class. Always choose is better option if something have equal, like class equal login, href equal whatever have real real whatever have title, but meaningful. Over here I feel meaningful is title and class and also text. So I'm going to take the class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a third bracket, open square bracket over here, and I'm going to put the at and copy the class. So I'm going to copy the class, copy it, okay, and put here and square. So now, and you enter, is still selecting whatever sign in. That means our XPath looks good. And also right side have 1 of 1. You see, must follow my cursor over here. Follow my cursor is 1 of 1. That means this XPath only one XPath exists, which is selecting only one object. So now this one. So now it looks big. It looks like bigger. Why we like? And also you see some number over here, which is dynamic, can be changeable. We need relative path, relative XPath. So how we can do that? I always keep this one. People are deleting. I mean, you can delete it, but I don't want to delete. So I will be tell you guys how I later. But before that, can you make all the double quotation a single quotation? I told you earlier video. So always keep the single quotation, okay? Because we will put inside the string value as Xpath. So it's gonna show the forward slash. So now we have Xpath over here. So now we want to make more modular, more useful, more customized, and more relative path. So let's see how we're gonna do this. So over here, what I do, I after the ID over here, first section div, try to delete it. Okay, delete and keep it double slash, give it the relative path. So I said okay, whatever I have before that double slash, that means take it. So now still my XPath is selecting, my sign in is selecting, and 1 of 1. That's cool. Delete again div. Okay, and keep the double slash and enter. It still is sign in selecting. That looks cool. Now look at how smaller now. And now again select the div. As much you can delete until show that this selecting 1 of 1 and right XPath. Okay, now navigation. So now navigation also I'm going to delete it and enter. Cool. Now I have div 1 deleted and keep the double slash. Let's keep the double slash. Okay, is working. So now look at that, how it looks beautiful. Before it was even div. I mean, had no div. So now we have only for relative XPath. Only it's okay. Whatever before A, take it. I need class login. That means in this space class login only one classical login is only exist one. So 1 of 1. So guys, if you can say, oh, I want to Direct, don't okay. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can delete it. So you want to keep the, oh yeah, you can delete it. So it still will select one of one. But I like to keep this one, guys. I like to keep this one. So it still works. So now it's look like a we have a modular and one relative XPath. Let's put over here, copy, and let's make sure it's working. Okay, whatever relation over this one was this one, sign in button. So now I'm gonna put that. Okay, now run the test. Okay, before that, what happening? I have the browser is keep opening, so I'm going to use the for browser close driver dot close. Okay, what is quit? Okay, no problem. We put that. I'm going to use driver dot close. Sorry, my bad. Driver dot close. So now I said after that whatever done, driver close and driver quit. This should be done. So now if I run the test, run the test. So sign in button clicked. You see guys, sound over and driver close, and you see over here my Chrome is closed, quit too. So that's cool. Chrome is quit too. So now my test is pass. So now what happened? That whatever XPath we just did that, the modular and relative XPath is working. Okay, that is working. That's cool. So now next we have name, email and password. Okay, that's we have, and that's we have. If you let's go over here and to make sure this one XPath we can use or not, and how we can do concatenate or parameterize. So selecting over here, and over here and have name, email, and what is the common? It has common name, email. Okay, okay, cool. Let's have name, email, cool, and go over here, have password, name, password. So do we have a name, two name? So now we can by name and we can parameterize the password, parameterize our XPath. So how we can do that? So we have by name, we can find it by name and we parameterize. So let's do it, guys. So now we have over here by ID. Okay, email. Instead of ID, I'm gonna do that by name. Okay, by name. And now by name have email over here. Cool, and by name have password. So do we need same XPath? Do you need the do you sorry we can, so is that possible to use the one XPath for uh, for for these two element? I think it's possible. Let's do it, guys. So now I'm gonna comment out the password, and over here have email. So let's concatenate this email, how we can do that. So now I'm gonna double quotation over here, and I'm gonna say plus and double quotation over here, and before that I'm gonna say plus. So now I have email. So what I said over here, concatenate, I said string, empty string plus email plus empty string. So this two string will be add another string. So now this email is not a string yet, we did not pass, so we can pass here. Example, I can say s string what we can do, we can do create credential. So I can say create. Okay, we can say create. Okay, we can do create and we can put the credential over here. Okay, so now over here one string plus another string plus another string. So basically it will become a one string and the key value have to pass. Okay, so now we said here by name string. Okay, so now we don't have to use, and also send key. We can do our send key whatever we want. So what we can do again, we can make a string, another string here. So this is one string and plus another string over here, and we put that plus. So now, and over here I can tell comma string, and over here I can put the send key, whatever I want to send. Okay, send key I provide here. Okay. So now looks cool. So we no need another one password. We can use this Xpath over and over for our testing purpose. Okay, so we no need for another things. So now we can use it, but actually we need guys. So that was the purpose. But we showing how to do right now. I'm showing how to do how to use the concat and how to send key. Okay, how to parameterize. So now we have this. Now we're gonna do another one over here, driver dot. Oh, let's see, this one's email. Okay, email, and this is send email send key, users email send key. This is email send key. Okay, this email send key over here, and this is email. I forgot email. Okay, and same thing I can copy here. We don't need to do over here. Copy command B, guys. So now over here I need another one password. Okay, so I say string password comma string send key pass. Okay, send key pass. Okay, so now over here we send key pass. Now let's do it, guys. What I can do, so over here should be email send key. No, sorry, this should be pass. That should be send key pass. So now we have parameterize. So now you will be seeing login have error because we pass some string value. So we are not hard coding. We want to say okay, whatever you want. Example, you want to test. I want to test with my email and user. You want to test with your email user. That's why we parameterize. So now we see Xpath we can do parameterize, and this is called concat, and we parameterize the passing the value. So now let's do, guys, and we go to login. It's showing error. Okay, it's showing error. So now I have to provide my email. This is the operation. Give me your email. Okay, I will say email test test 123, and this is invalid email gmail.com. Okay, that's cool. And asking comma and double quotation, asking okay, email send key, whatever you want to send key. Okay, so this should be send key. That's my mistake. And this should be email. And comma email send key comma, then we have another one, we have password. Password should be by name. If you go by name, password should be this one, password. Okay, pass and comma, what is the password send key? Password send key is whatever you want to send. password. Okay, so now if I run the test, it should be work. So we are not hard coding our code in the functional script section. What we are doing, we are passing here. So now you see my test is pass, and pass is pass. It was login and input the properly. So now you guys know how to do concatenate if you need something, any value, how to do concatenate. So now let's do with some critical concatenate section. What we can do over here, we have to go here and all the bottom, and no, we don't want to go there. I want to see some option. Okay, so there is option over here. So now if I example, if I want to see the my order, okay, so my order, see over here example, look at the guys, one, how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 11 13. So this all the element with we can test with one Xpath. So let's do customize the Xpath, how to parameterize. Let's do it. So now we're gonna select it, example, we're gonna select it my orders. Okay, I select one, right click, copy, copy Xpath. Okay, so now this all those section have, I believe they have title. You will see guys the title. So now what I can do, I can do title. Okay, I can take the at square at title. Okay, now select it. So now let's delete as much we can, but I know it will work guys. I show you last time, so I'm gonna go all the way delete and put the double slash. So now I'm gonna wasting time. So now we have a title which is a my order. So now this Xpath will be work for everything, just changing the example. We have woman. Okay, so I'm gonna click copy this and put here, moving this. Okay, check it out. So this enter is selecting over here. Okay guys, so now if you go here, example, specials. Okay, I copy these specials, selecting. So now only changing the title value can be selecting all these values. So I don't have to add 12 Xpath. One Xpath can be good for testing. So now how we can do that? Very easy. I'm going to copy this one, go here. So what I don't need, I don't want create email. Okay, so I don't want create email, so I'm going to comment out these things. Okay, I don't want I'm going to comment out these things for now, because I don't want to create email. I want just click button, after that do this thing, whatever I need to do. So now I'm going to say driver dot find element by Xpath, and my Xpath is here. Good mistake guys did that over here. I keep the double quotation, and keep the double quotation here, single. Okay, it's good. So now copy this and go put here, and I said dot is displayed. I mean I want to see this text are displayed over there or not. Okay, that is my test. So now I want to concatenate, I want to like parameterize these things. So how you can do that guys? So now I want to the value, title value, because I want to see all those title value. I can change whatever I need whenever I need for testing purpose. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna concatenate. So this is special. Okay, remember we need to change this value, so we have to only parameterize this value and concat this value. So now after this, before is after the single quotation, we're going to give the double quotation. Okay, so and plus. here same thing, double quotation and plus. So now we have string value over here, one string value and another string value is here, so this value, okay, and this is plus. So now we have to create our string here, string variable here, because we just using this. So I'm going to say over here string and bar info. I'm going to give the and bar info and page info and page info. Okay, so now I'm going to put here and so now I'm this, and I want to don't close this thing, okay, because I want to see and show you guys is working. So, and I'm going to print out message here. Is displayed. I'm going to say is displayed. I'm going to say it info displayed. Okay, I mean this section done. So now if you go to the text, login text is error. So now asking what you have a here comma, you have to use your and info. So what you and info. So now in this test I want my order. In this test I want my order text exists. Okay, cool. So one test. So you can question, okay, how we can do multiple tests. Okay, yeah, just copy the test, easy, and over here you can say it working, login button working, 2, test 2, and over here my order you can choose is bestseller. Okay, so now spell a B, capital letter B. If you do mistake guys, it's gonna pass. So now as much test you can add and change the value. I want one more test over here, and what do you want guys over here? I mean, I go to the sitemap. Okay, so over here I can say not bestseller, I can say sitemap, and here 3 for now. So now if I run the test, what is the error over here? Shouldn't be any error. Add test. Okay, yeah, I okay, copy wrong. Okay, now if I run the test, let's run the test. SS main. There we go. Okay, let's run the test. It should be 3 pages open, and all the 3 texts they will be verified. This is displayed or not. Okay, cool. One pass, another open. Should be another open, 3. Okay, 3 passed. So what happened? Every time go and all the text available not. If you see over here, so first sign in button is displayed, info is displayed. Second, sign in button displayed, and that means 3 tests is passed, 3 different tests. So our, and also over here showing the 3 several tests. So what is the benefit? So now we have only one Xpath over here, title, and this Xpath we can use for all the text verification, all the text for verification, because we did customize, we did parameterize and concat. That's why we can use it. So that's it for today guys. Now you know how to do concat, how to use the simple concat, or also you know, one Xpath you can use them, you can reusable purpose. How do you can reusable with parameterize? Now you know guys. If you have any question, any comment, feel free to yeah, ask question in the comment section, and I will be give you answer as soon as possible. See you soon, guys.